Opening a Shopify store in Ethiopia is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a Shopify store in Ethiopia. So as you guys can see, I'm at the website shopify.com. Now here you simply have to click on this start free trial. Now here you simply have to click on this I'm just starting. Here you have to click on this next. And here you have to select whatever the place that you are creating. Suppose I want to create an online store. I'm just going to select that option and I'm going to click on next. Now here, as you guys can see, they want me to select a plan. So I can select a plan, whichever I like, or I can simply click on this, I'll decide later. So I'm just going to click on I'll decide later and I'm going to click on this next. So here you have to select Ethiopia. Currently in my case, I live in Pakistan and it won't let me change to any other than Pakistan. So you just have to select Ethiopia right here. Now here, as you guys can see, it wants you to log in. So for that, you simply have to, either sign up with Google. So I'm just going to sign up with Google. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page. Now here you simply have to click on this create store. Now here you are at the home page of the Shopify. So you just need to set up your store however you want to do. So for that, you need to start setting up. As you guys can see, it contains the order, the products, all the things. And you have to select on this online store. And here you will be able to select the theme. After selecting the theme, you will be able to create your website and publish it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can set up a website in Shopify. Hope you guys find this video helpful.